Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss fill in the blanks of class 6 history chapter vital villages and thriving towns. Viewers, before starting the video I would like to request you, if you are new on the channel, please subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends. Let's start the video. First question is, large landowners were known as dash in Tamil region. Answer is Velalar. Large landowners were known as Velalar in Tamil. Next question is, in northern part of our country, the position of Gram Bhojka was dash. Answer is hereditary. It was hereditary position, means one after another. Family member of one after another become Grambhojka. Next question is, the coins that were stamped with symbols using dice or punches are called dash coins. Answer is punch marked coins. Next question is, Sangam literature were called so because they were supposed to have been composed and compiled in dash of poets. Answer is assemblies. They were composed and compiled in assemblies of poets. Next question is, ring wells were used as, answer is toilets. Next question is, Jataka tales were written and preserved by dash. Answer is Buddhist monks. Next question is, punch marked coins were made up of dash. Answer is metal. Next question is, Sangam literature was written in dash. Answer is Tamil. Sangam literature was written in Tamil. Next question is, second capital of Kushnas was dash. Answer is Mathura. Mathura became the second capital of Kushnas. Next question is, ring wells were dash. Answer is rows of ports. Ring wells were rows of ports. That is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you really like the video, please press the like button, share the video with your friends. If you have not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever new video is published. Thank you for watching.